All right, petrol heads, gather round. We're about to dive into the world of armored beasts with the EMBT ADT140. This ain't your granddad's tank. It's a German-French masterpiece of modern military might. KNDS, the brainchild of German and French engineering, has outdone itself this time. This is the future of ground warfare, and it's rolling in on tracks made of pure steel and innovation. Forget what you know about lumbering tanks from the history books. The ADT140 is a whole different breed. It's faster, meaner, and smarter than anything that's come before. This is a tank built for the 21st century battlefield, and it's ready to rumble. Now let's talk about what gets your heart-thumping firepower. And boy, does this beast pack a punch. The main attraction? A monstrous 140mm ASCALON cannon. This thing spits fire and fury like nobody's business. It's bigger, badder, and blows anything else out of the water. But wait, there's more. The ADT140 isn't just a one-trick pony. It also boasts a 20mm coaxial gun, perfect for taking care of pesky infantry or light vehicles. And if that wasn't enough, it's got a 30mm remote-controlled weapon station perched on top. Think of it as the tank's own personal bodyguard, ready to unleash a hail of lead on anything that gets too close. And for those really close encounters, there's a 7.62mm mini turret machine gun, because sometimes you just need to get up close and personal. Now you might think that with all that firepower, defense is an afterthought. Wrong! The ADT140 is built like a fortress on tracks. We're talking next-level protection here. The unmanned turret means the crew's tucked away safe and sound in the hull. No more worrying about getting picked off by snipers. The ADT140 is also fitted with an active protection system that's smarter than your average bear. This system detects incoming threats, like missiles or rockets, and neutralizes them before they can even get close. It's like having an invisible force field around the tank, and if, by some miracle, something does manage to hit the tank, the ADT140's armor is designed to deflect and absorb the impact. This tank is built to take a licking and keep on ticking. Section 4. Brains and brawn technology at the heart of the ADT140. But the ADT140 isn't just about brute force. It's also got brains to match its brawn. This tank is a technological marvel, packed with more sensors, computers, and gizmos than a spaceship. We're talking sensor fusion, artificial intelligence, and cyber defenses that would make even Q jealous. The ADT140 can see, hear, and smell the enemy coming from miles away. It can even predict their next move before they make it. This tank is always one step ahead, ready to outmaneuver and outgun the competition. And to top it all off, the ADT140 is powered by a hybrid engine. That means it's got the muscle of a diesel engine and the fuel efficiency of an electric one. Section 5. A European Alliance. The genesis of the ADT140. The ADT140 is a testament to what can be achieved when great minds, and even greater engineering, come together. This tank is the result of a collaboration between Germany and France, two of the biggest names in military technology. They took the best bits from their respective tanks, the Leopard 2 and the Leclerc MBT, and blended them together to create something truly special. The result is a tank that's greater than the sum of its parts. The ADT140 is a shining example of European cooperation, and it's set to change the face of warfare for decades to come. Section 6. The future of warfare. The ADT140's potential impact. The EMBT ADT140 is still in its testing phase, but it's already clear that this tank is a game changer. It's a force to be reckoned with, a technological tour de force that's poised to dominate the battlefield of the future. With its firepower, protection, and advanced technology, the ADT140 is in a league of its own. It's the ultimate expression of armored warfare, and it's set to send a clear message to the world. Don't mess with the future of tanks. So there you have it, folks. The EMBT ADT140, a tank that's more than just a machine. It's a statement. It's a promise. It's the future of warfare rolling in on tracks of pure awesomeness.